Hello everyone, in this video I'll be trying out the new barbecue beef burger from Fuel Your Body here on PEI. This meal smells and looks delicious. I'm extremely excited to try this one out. It might be my new favorite just from the smell alone. So this has 475 calories, 49 grams of protein, pretty good, 28 grams of carbohydrates and 19 fat. Ingredients being barbecued beef, spicy roast potato, carrot and cabbage slaw, green onion, tomato, garlic, lemon, tomato, southwest sauce. May contain nuts, gluten-free and dairy-free. Heated this one up for about a minute and a half, and I think that is perfect for this meal here. Got that southwest sauce as well. Oh, I'm super excited to try this out. And I love barbecue food, and barbecue burger, that's absolutely perfect. I'm going to go ahead and try one of the potatoes here first. May as well just dip it in the sauce. Whatever seasoning is on that is perfect. This tastes so good. And now, the main attraction, the beef. I'll try some of the slaw with it. Beef's got a good flavor to it. It's got like a smoky barbecue kind of taste going. And it just goes so well with everything else here. Try a little bit of that in the sauce. Ooh. That's amazing. Honestly, perfect. These potatoes got a really nice seasoning to them too. Amazing. So good. Everything has really nice seasoning to it, and that's something that Fuel Your Body does very well, is their meals are always not seasoned too much, but seasoned just enough to be healthy and delicious at the same time. I find they find that balance perfectly, and these meals just reflect that. That's seriously too good. The vegetable selection is great, the seasoning on the food is amazing, and the burger just tastes absolutely perfect. So I would give the barbecue beef burger from Fuel Your Body a 9 out of 10. This meal is seriously delicious. It combines some really nice things. Got potato in there, a bunch of vegetables, a slaw, and that beef burger with a perfect sauce to pair it with. Absolutely amazing. This might be one of my new favorites, and I'm very excited to get this one again because I can't say enough good things about the seasoning that's on the potatoes. Perfect. So, yeah, if you're interested in getting one of these meals, you can go on the website EatFYB.ca. You can order a one-time meal or a reoccurring meal plan option. This can be picked up at a few different locations around Prince Edward Island, so go check them out. Lots of amazing meals on there. So, yeah, check them out on Instagram as well, at EatFYB. Check out the different meal options they have, and they got a lot of new meals coming out pretty much weekly, so go check them out. They're wonderful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.